Welcome to Product Critique, your go-to destination for in-depth reviews of the best products out there. Today, we're showcasing the best push and slide pill bottle, the 5-pack medication tracker and reminder by Take and Slide. This unique tool will revolutionize how you manage your medication, ensuring you never miss a dose again. First off, let's talk about the simplicity and effectiveness of the Take and Slide. Designed to help you stay on top of your medication schedule with ease, it features a peel and stick tracker that attaches right to your pill bottle. With just a simple slide, you can mark off doses as you take them, and at the end of the week, you can easily see if you've missed any. This incredibly straightforward system eliminates any confusion, providing you with a clear visual reminder to ensure you're following your medication regimen correctly. One of the standout features of the Take and Slide is its reusability. Unlike traditional pill organizers that require you to fill and refill them, this tracker sticks to any size pill bottle and can be moved from one to the next once your current bottle runs out. Whether you're managing a single-dose prescription or a complex multi-dose regimen, this tracker adapts to your needs. It's a versatile solution that's not just limited to human medications but is also great for managing your pet's pills or even vitamins. Another great aspect is the click sound it makes when you secure your tracker after taking a dose. This satisfying click lets you know you've successfully marked off your pill for the day, adding a layer of reassurance to your routine. For seniors or anyone who struggles to remember their medication schedule, this product is a game changer. It's simple to use and takes away the hassle of complicated pill organizers, offering a more intuitive way to track your doses. Now, let's dive into its durability. The Take and Slide sticks multiple times without losing its adhesive properties. This means you can rely on it to stay securely in place, no matter how much you move your pill bottles around. The tracker is built to last and withstand the wear and tear of everyday use, so you don't have to worry about it peeling off prematurely. So, whether you're managing a long-term medication routine or simply trying to keep track of your daily vitamins, the Take and Slide is the perfect solution. It's compact, easy to use, and incredibly effective, helping you stay accountable and avoid missing a dose. That's it for today's review. If you want to make medication management hassle-free, the 5-pack medication tracker and reminder by Take and Slide might just be what you've been looking for. Be sure to check it out and, as always, thank you for watching Product Critique.